it's day 2 of SHOT Show, and I'm over here in the Venetian, level 1, and I've come across Gas Block Genie. Now, the reason why I'm making this video is this is a time saver when it comes to AR tool. I'm gonna let Loring, who is the owner of this company, talk about his tools. It's a game changer. You're gonna like this.
Hey, it's Loring with Gas Block Genie. We're here at the SHOT Show. We've got a tool called the Gas Block Genie, and it's just this little piece of plastic, and it's a super easy way to align your gas block. The tool goes inside the gas block, and lining up the hole with the gas port there, you can make a mark on the tool, a mark on the gas block, then you take the barrel, and it kind of clips into place, so it makes it nice and easy to take your marker and transfer your mark over to the barrel. Once that's done, you take the gas block, line up the 2 marks you made, and when you lock it down, you know that those holes will be concentric. Perfectly lined up every time. This is reusable. You can wipe the marks off and move on to the next one.
That's awesome. What type of marker could you use on that?
We like using a fine point Sharpie because it keeps it accurate, and it will wipe off of the plastic, so seems to make sense.
That's great. And what else do you have?
We've also got the Roll Pin Wizard. This is another sort of sticking point with AR assembly. It acts like a third hand to help you put in the bolt catch roll pin.
Gotcha.
So it's just this tool here, and it comes with a punch. This punch has extra length, so there's no worry that you'll hit the receiver with your hammer. It's got a tip on it so that you don't need a starter punch. This punch will do the whole job. And as a bonus, when you're done with the tool here, you can bring it down to the pivot pin, and we've put a hole in this end so you can install the spring and detent as well. Similar to other tools, but you know, just as an added bonus, we've already got this size and dimension there, so we're gonna make use of it.
That's great. And then where can they find you?
GasBlockGenie.com. We're also in Sanders, Brownells, and Cheaper Than Dirt. Also included with the tool is a spare set of springs and detents, so if you happen to shoot one across the room, there's some extras there. So the Gas Block Genie is available in 3 sizes for 936 bull barrel, standard 750 barrel, and the 625 pencil barrel.
Hey, awesome tool. Love it. It's really, really cool. You're going to actually see this tool being used when we do our 300 blackout construction. We're probably going to use, we're definitely going to be using this tool during that video, so watch for that. Hey, if you reach out to them, let them know that Lupo Outdoors sent you. And if you do reach out to them, make sure you mention this code, Lupo24, and you'll save 15%.